More than a dozen years ago, I set up a fully functional shop studio for the 4WD Mechanics Magazine website and YouTube channel. To best serve the motorcycle community, I have repurposed, organized, and equipped a substantial area of my shop studio exclusively for the Motorcycle Tech and Travel channel. My first motorcycle shop in the mid-70s was an independent repair facility at Carson City, Nevada. Working on road and dirt bikes of the era, I specialized in British road motorcycles and scramblers. I worked on popular dirt enduro and motocross bikes, the rapidly evolving Japanese bikes, BMW Boxer Twins, and the Knucklehead, Panhead, and Shovelhead Harley-Davidson V-Twins. 2 decades later, that experience with Harley-Davidson would lead to the Harley-Davidson Evolution V-Twin Owner's Bible, my book by Bentley Publishers. I have set up several shops, including home garages, for motorcycle maintenance and repair work. Tooling expanded in the process. Since the 70s, skills and equipment have evolved alongside advances in automotive and motorcycle technology. The Motorcycle Tech and Travel channel shares motorcycle maintenance and can help owners become more proficient and confident around motorcycle maintenance and troubleshooting. Here is the shop where the channel's technical coverage unfolds. Like other professional mechanics, I've accumulated a large store of tools over the years. My wife says I have too many tools. I think I have just enough for the moment. I've had this Harbor Freight lift for over a decade. It's served really well. I made one modification and added the chock that you see at the front. Considering the amount of steel that goes into these lifts, this Harbor Freight unit is a bargain. A lift makes engine work so much easier. Even heavy jobs like a top engine rebuild or removing the engine completely from the frame can be done much more easily with a lift. The lift is perfect for dirt and adventure motorcycles. This lift will do its share of lifting at the Motorcycle Tech and Travel channel. We're moving now to the heavy-duty workbench that I've used for engines, transmissions, and other heavy automotive work. I built this bench in the mid-1990s and can share how you can build a bench like this for motorcycle engine transmission unit repair. Under wraps here is the fuel injection cleaning machine that is ideal for late model motorcycles equipped with electronic fuel injection. I modified my Harbor Freight H-frame press to work with a 20-ton air-over-hydraulic jack. We'll talk more about that during projects. I've had my Walker pressure washing cabinet since the mid-1990s. The 1,000-pound capacity turntable can handle a Cummins engine block, and this is ideal for unit repair and complete engine rebuilding on motorcycles. While I demonstrate manual tire changing and even field tire repair, this is my Weaver tire changer. The model is a W898XS and can handle automotive tires to 49 inches diameter and 150 pounds. This unit has the PL240 assist arm, which is excellent for automotive and large motorcycle tires. I've added the motorcycle adapters to service standard motorcycle diameter tires. This unit will handle anything from smaller ATV tires all the way up to 28 or 29 inch rims. My Gaither manual commercial balancer works for automotive and could work for large motorcycle wheels and tires. I will demonstrate many motorcycle niche tools, including this versatile and valuable chain breaker. Projects that involve niche tools like this chain breaker will help you make informed decisions about what tools you need at your shop. A chain breaker kit like this RK Excel will bring your work up to professional levels and give you the assurance that in the backcountry, in remote situations, your chain or other work will get you through. Sometimes tools are unavailable or obsolete, and I find it necessary to make my own tools, like this special screwdriver for removing the screws on a key and carburetor with the carburetor still mounted in place. By now, you've guessed that literacy is very important to me. I use shop manuals all the time, and when there isn't a shop manual, I write one. I taught welding and automotive shop courses. I have instructed oxyacetylene, arc, MIG, and TIG welding. For welding instruction, I would be very glad to share my experience at Motorcycle Tech and Travel. Forthcoming projects will include the complete restoration of my XR 500R motorcycle, which could entail the use of my TIG machine. From tips and troubleshooting on basics like carburetors to full-fledged engine rebuilding, there is no limit to the projects we can do at Motorcycle Tech and Travel. So subscribe now and join us.